holding our breath for too long, and now it looks like the wait's almost over. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Samsung's long-rumored Trifold smartphone may be officially launching this month, and a newly published patent just gave our best look yet. The patent was filed in South Korea and spotted by Galaxy Club. It flexes an innovative design with 2 hinges and 3 folding display segments, allowing the device to fold inward like an accordion. Unlike Huawei's outward folding Mate X, Samsung's design keeps the main screen protected on the inside, with a separate external display for use when the phone's closed. One hinge is visibly thicker, it has to fold over 2 layers, and thanks to Samsung's engineering, we've got 3 separate batteries, one for each segment, cleverly sized to balance power and keep the device ultra-thin. It's a small but significant innovation aimed at maximizing battery life without adding bulk. While the patent doesn't confirm specific specs, it hints at a triple lens rear camera, a USB-C charging port, and the expected bells and whistles like NFC and wireless charging. All signs point to the device being called the Galaxy Z Trifold based on previous trademark filings. And though the patent was quietly filed last year, its sudden publication, paired with a flurry of leaks, are all hinting that Samsung is about to make things official. Samsung's promised the Trifold will launch before the end of 2025, but with insiders pointing to a late October reveal, the world's first major Trifold smartphone could just be weeks away. If the rumors are right, then get ready for a whole new chapter in smartphone design. Are you excited to get the first ever foldable phone that folds not just once, but twice? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.